Now we are going to learn about how to create a email marketing campaign in a HubSpot. Okay, the major application of the HubSpot is to create a email marketing campaigns. How to create a email marketing campaigns? We have to go to marketing, select a email. Once you have been selected an email, now it is asking to create a mail because none of the marketing campaign we have been created. We can go to create mail here. Now we need to select any of the templates. We can select any of the templates here. Okay, to create any of the email marketing campaigns, we can select any of the templates. For example, for a promotion, you can select this one. For a welcome mail, if you are sending any welcome mail, you can select this one. Okay, if it is any like a plain email, you can select this one. We'll select a simple one. Once you have been selected, here preview will be shown. You can edit the data content here. This is the first name, in the sense the sender name will be selected here. Okay, then here it will be body of the mail. Okay, like what you'd like to communicate, you can write it here. Okay, entire thing, your information and everything you can write it here. Okay, your name, your job title, everything you can write it here. Okay, once you have been created a email like this, then we have to go to settings. In settings, we have to check the sender. Okay, Beta Academy. Then this is about a from address. Okay, in the sense, this from this email ID they will be received the mails. The subject line, like new product launch. Okay, like this we can give the subject line. It will be appear in an email. Okay, then it comes to up. If you like to add any text for your reference, you can add. Okay, and you can give the email name for your reference, like to track it back. The marketing information we are providing, and language we can select which language your this particular email is about, English language. Okay, then go to a send a schedule. In sending, here we have to select to whom you would like to send. I will select the contact to whom I would like to send this particular email. Select that one. Once you have been selected, okay, we can see here two of them has been selected. Total 2000 mails you can select in a month for a free of cost. If you like to send more than 2000, we have to pay. So if you don't want to send some of the contacts, then you can select those contacts here. Okay, you don't want to send this particular email to that particular contact, then we can say preview. Okay, review and send. We can check the mail preview here. You can see who is the sender, name, and what type of the mail it is, and to whom it will be sent. And preview of the mail, you can check here how it will be appear in a desktop, how it will be appear in a mobile. Then you can come back, and here you will not be getting a send option because something has to be modified. That is nothing but company name and address to be provided. We'll provide that one. Selected company name, address we have to use. In a mail it will be shown. Okay, what are the required things is that you can give that one, save changes, then review and send. Now you can send the mail. Once you click on this, it will be sent to mail. Okay, already are you ready to send the email? Yes, I would like to send the mail now. Now it has been two mail has been sent to a person. Okay, these are the two mails has been sent. Okay, now you can check here any actions you would like to take, like you like to say cancel, if you like to delete that one, if you like to move to the some other folder, you can do this one. Okay, and if you like to come back to analysis, again you go to marketing, email. Here it is showing that which are the mails is already sent. Okay, and all the emails here you can check which are there in our draft, which are already scheduled. In the sense, you like to not to send immediately, you like to send it later. We had a option there, schedule. Once you have been created a mail, okay, the moment you're creating a mail, like create mail will show you where it will available, schedules, promotion. Here we can schedule for a later, the date and time you can select when to schedule your mail. Okay, like this we can change the mail. Okay, we can schedule the mail, and any mail you like to take a action, you can select and you can delete that particular mail. Delete anytime, you can delete the mail from your dashboard. Okay, schedule and sent mail, it will show here. Any mail it is archived, it will be shown here. And second thing, to check the analyze the mails. Okay, we can analyze the mails you have been sent, like how many of them has been sent already, and how many of them are open, and how many of them click any of the link provided in that particular mail, and click through rate. Okay, main thing we will be check. For example, 100 mails are sent, how many of them are open? Your open rate is better, means if you are sending 100 mails, if 90 mails are opened, in the sense you have a 90% open rate, that will be better, right? Everyone at least checking your mail. If open rate is too low, means 1%, 2%, means for hundreds mails, one or two mails has been opened, that is very bad. So we have to check what would be the reason. Okay, then click rate. If anyone click in a link provided in a mail, is they are clicking a link provided in a mail or not, to check that one we will be using a click rate. And click through rate is nothing but how many of them clicking, that is a open, how many of them have been clicked the mail. Then delivery also. For example, you sent 100 mail, how many of them has been delivered, and how many of them has been bounced, that is nothing but hard bounce rate. Immediately, in the sense it is not delivered, in the sense email address is not proper. Okay, and unsubscribed, if you ask to subscribe to your email, then how many of them has been not yet subscribed, you can check that one. Okay, how many of them moved your mail to spam, you can check that one. If more and more uh, your mails are moving to spam rate, in the sense your email content need to be modified, because when spam rate is increasing, means they are doesn't like your content. Okay, here you will be having all the, like how the chart weekly basis, how the performance. Okay, everything will be there. Here in the analysis you can check, and your open rate should be high, click rate should be high. Okay, click through rate also should be high. Okay, hard bounce rate should be low. Okay, you are should deliver 100%. If you are deliver, that is a better. Okay, if your bounce is more than 10%, it is bad. Again, these two depending upon this one depending upon whether you have been asked to subscribe or not. But spam report, is very bad. If more and more spam reports are there, then we have to change the email content. Okay, this is how we can change the email content by looking at the data, okay, in analyze tab. And you can manage any of the email you have been created, like deleting that particular campaign. Okay, take a action and delete, or you can move to the archive folder. Okay, in a sense temporarily it will be deleted. Okay, or you can create a folder and you can move it to that particular folder also. Like here folder you can create a folder for each campaign, and you can move that particular mail to a that particular folder. For example, here you can say move it to folder, that particular folder it will be moved. Okay, here we have one mail. Like this we can use this list or mail to check which are the mail campaigns right now running. Okay, if you like to pause any of the campaign you can check by using a archive. Okay, and you can create mails from here. The main thing you have to remember here, once you have been created a mail, you can schedule as well as you can send immediately, and monthly 2000 mails you can send for a free of cost. That one you have to remember. Okay, this is all about how can we manage, we can create a email campaigns by using a HubSpot in marketing email section.